On the heels of more than 3.8 million Americans filing for unemployment last week, state leaders tackle Florida's bogged down unemployment system in a virtual town hall. News 6's Nikki Zizaza is live in Orlando for us tonight. So, Nikki, people were hoping to get some answers.
That's right, Matt. News 6 has been closely following the state's response to out-of-work Floridians about their unemployment benefits. And tonight, the agency answered a myriad of questions during a Q&A on Facebook.
We know that there's a lot of people out there that haven't been given enough information, and we're working through to give them as much information as we can.
During a Q&A in Tallahassee, hosted by two state senators, Jonathan Satter, the man tasked to fix the troubled unemployment system, tried to clear up confusion about the heavily criticized system that recently deemed 40% of nearly 268,000 applicants ineligible.
There's a variety of reasons, dozens and dozens of reasons why somebody would be ineligible. They could have been terminated. They could have quit. They could have not had sufficient work history.
A dilemma exasperated by the sheer number of people asking for help, plus limited guidance on available federal programs.
There is a federal program. It's called PEUC. It's the Pandemic Emergency Unemployment Compensation. It's $600 a week. We are building the system to be able to accept those applications. We're hopeful that we'll have additional guidance for everybody in the next 5 to 7 days.
Meantime, Satter says the Department of Economic Opportunity is racing to reduce a backlog of claims.
Can we assure the people watching and our constituents that what they were owed and what they were eligible and entitled for, that they're going to get paid?
Yes,
Okay.
You can absolutely assure people of that.
But up against that piece of good news is the challenge of accessing a way to get answers or appeal a claim.
What is that appeals process?
I don't know.
Now, Satter says the agency has received about 2 million claims, but he says he believes that figure is inaccurate because of incomplete applications. He was also asked, at what point will people who applied in March get money in their hands? And he says he wants people to be patient and that they've been working around the clock to expedite this process. For now, I'm live in Orlando, Nikki Zizaza, getting results, News 6.
Yeah, patience is easier to say when you have a job and a paycheck. Nikki Zizaza, thank you.